Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the current data center and latency. Open Rainbow Six Siege and note the ping numbers. Once done, quit to desktop and open Ubisoft Connect. Make sure you are signed in and two-factor authentication is ready. Next, disable competing network apps, and if available, plug an Ethernet cable for stability. This reduces packet loss while you change servers. You move fast now. Verify game files briefly to avoid mismatched data. Then relaunch the title. To begin the server, you now navigate to the matchmaking region menu in Siege. This is where you can force a different data center. Select a nearby region with the lowest ping, Europe, North America, or Asia, based on numbers shown. Once selected, wait for the setting to apply and then create a custom match to lock the connection. If the client refuses, change your DNS to a fast public resolver or use a short VPN test to see which data center you actually hit. Make sure to compare pings after each change. You finish by verifying the new data center. Check the in-game ping and play a quick test match to confirm stability. If you still see high latency, restart your router and PC, then clear the game cache. This often forces reconnection to the chosen center. If problems persist, gather network logs, note timestamps and affected matches, and contact Ubisoft support. One key troubleshooting tip: use Tracert to the game server IP while reproducing the issue. It reveals bottlenecks between you and the data center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.